About this item, extremely easy to use, just screw in the 15-pin male input and output. You can easily finish the installation and use. Easier than screwing the bottle cap. Universal compatibility, whether it is LED/LCD monitor, projector, PC, laptop, TV, PSP or TV box. This male-to-male VGA cable is perfectly compatible as long as there is VGA interface HD. Fantastic support 800x600, 1024x768, 1600x1200, and 1920*1080 LCD and LED display screens, giving you a more detailed and realistic picture. Giving you a visual feast of HD, durable and reliable with PVC shell and nickel-plated connectors. This male-to-male VGA cable can withstand long-time use and connection, ensuring better signal transmission and higher corrosion and friction resistance, so you don't need to worry about frequent cable replacement. Unparalleled quality made of pure copper.